Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and I'm reporting from my bed. If you haven't seen my other videos, I've got this stupid thing on because I broke my ankle in 2 places, so the lighting's not that great and the video's not that great, but hopefully the point will be on point. The point will be on point. So what I'm talking about today is going to be increasing your likes, your comments, your subscribers, specifically on YouTube, but other social media as well. It goes hand in hand here. Do it kind of artificially, not organically, and I'll kind of tell you what that means, sort of, kind of, not organically. Anyways, I got this email to try this service. It's GoViral.ai. That's the website, so I was going to try it out today, and I did try it out a little bit earlier. I wanted to talk about that, kind of the morality behind services like that. I'll show you some other services. I've used services in the past like that, and the pros and the cons, and like I said, the morality of it. When you build a YouTube channel, you want people to actually, who like your comment, to like you, right? That makes sense, to subscribe to you so they come back and all that. You just don't want some random person or entity or whatever out there just subscribing to your channel and then going away. They don't give a shit about your channel. They just do it because one of these services allow them to subscribe to their channel. It's kind of a give and a take. I have two thoughts, two groups of thoughts towards either way, because I think there is a place for websites like this, and I'm going to show you why. And you know, it's not all negative. I think some of these sites, although not necessarily organic, can be organic. Now, if I haven't confused the total shit out of you, let me explain. So, okay, this is the site that I'm going to spotlight mostly. There's other sites. Before I get to GoViral, I'm going to show you how to use it, what I've done. I've got some views on there, and I've used this site, YTPals. I've used this in the past. It works fine. Let me show you something. Earlier today, and you can see right here, the time is 11/5, or this is the date, 11/5, so November 5th, 2022. At 10:09 a.m. It is now 10:26 a.m. So I just did this screenshot a bit ago. So let me go to this channel and let me see if I update, if it's gone up at all. All right, so it's still 197. So I gained 3 subscribers. I think I gained 1 through GoViral, and I do believe I gained 2 from this YTPals. All right, see, YTPals, maybe not organically. GoViral, this one organically, and I'm going to tell you exactly what I mean. So please keep up with me if you could. All right, so basically with GoViral, let's log in, and I'll show you. Just, it's GoViral.ai, and you can see here, let me go to my dashboard. You can see here, these are the statistics. These are views. I ordered 17 views based on the coins I have. I'm going to show you how to get coins. And let's go to my dashboard. This is my dashboard. Let's go to my videos. Okay, so this is what I ordered. I had enough coins to get 17 views. 17 views ain't a lot, but that's what I did. How do you go about getting these? So you have, all right, so you go over here, you hit earn coins. It's going to pop up here with just a random video, and it's kind of cool because, okay, so this is going to show you maybe channels and videos that you don't necessarily know are out there. And if you just want to sit down one day and find some new channels to explore, this is a great way to do it while helping your channel. So that's when I say I have 2 kind of schools of thought towards getting just artificial content, which this is kind of what it is. But again, it isn't. Or doing it organically, meaning people come and find you. I don't really, if you watch my videos, advertise my YouTube channel at all. I just put up videos, and whomever watches it, whomever subscribes, subscribes, and so on. So let me just explain this here. Let me move this over the way. You see how you see likes? This is an available subscription for this video. Leave a comment for this video. That's just the fact the person that put this up on GoViral didn't have coins. That they did just what I did. All I did is order likes. I didn't even order likes. I ordered views. This person ordered likes. You can, if you have enough coins, you can order, leave a comment. You can order subscribe to channel. So I built up some coins there. I have 400 coins. It's not really a lot. As you see on the right-hand side here, this is the amount of views that you can do, likes, and so on. I don't know if it resets. Let's see, video participation verification queue lasts 24 hours. I don't know if it resets after a certain point or not, but that's the amount you can do. I just want to, as far as comments are concerned, if it's a very short video and you try to put in a comment and it verifies and it jumps to the next video, it won't verify that comment. I've tried that before and it says couldn't verify comment. But if you have a longer video, like this one's 15 minutes and 55 seconds, it doesn't allow you to leave a comment, but say it did, you have plenty of time to leave a comment and then the system will verify and you'll get your 300 coins. So let's go in and you could buy coins if you want. I'm not going to spend any money on this. I'm just really doing this just for the video sake. So let's go to one of my videos. So this one I bought views. Let's see what we can do with this one. 10 stupid things I can do. I can do a lot more than 10 stupid things. All right, let's edit this. Let's see if we can do a like. See if we have enough money for a like. How much is a like? So I don't like that. I don't like the fact that they don't show you the amounts for each individual service, be it likes, views, comments. This is temporary disabled, this subscriber. So I don't know, GoViral. I guess you got some work to do on this. If you're watching this video, I doubt you are, but just put down here how much it is for each service. It's not that. I looked all the way around and I couldn't find it. So anyways, just for giggles, we'll order some of this. What I got, 400. So we'll order 10. All right, well, 10 views. All right, and then we'll finish. And it says purchase views only without likes or comments may reduce the retention of viewers. So that's fine. Let's finish again. Proceed with order. The max view time may be greater than 90. Let's put that back to 90. It's only supposed to be 90. So we'll go OK. Because I have a free account, it's only supposed to be 90. Now it should go through. All right, it's 240 coins, whatever. That's fine. So 10 views. So the thing is, all right, so you get views. I would just do views. Let people go and view your video, and if they like it, they will like it, and they will subscribe if they like this video. So I think views are fine to get traffic as far as this is concerned. GoViral, I wouldn't purchase anything off it. I mean, it's totally up to you. It's kind of iffy. It's purchase. You don't really want to purchase likes. You don't want to purchase comments. You don't want to purchase subscribers. You really don't. You want it organically. You want people to come to your channel because they want to come to your channel. They want to see what you're doing. You just don't want some arbitrary person come along, freaking subscribe to your channel and then go away for the rest of their life. You're not going to build your channel that way. And that's why these services are iffy for me. But as I said before, you can also find new channels and stuff to explore yourself and to learn. Here's another service. I've covered this service before, I do believe, in a past video. It's basically the same thing. You're sharing off each other, so you're liking other people's videos, so you're in the queue, so those people will come to your videos and like you. Again, it's the same deal. Do you want arbitrary, artificial subscribers that don't really care about your content just so they can build their channel? It just seems, not only does it seem kind of scummy, it just seems useless to me. You know, you want to build your community. You just don't want weirdos going on there and doing your thing. So this is good. I'll show you how to do this here. So you're just going to grab your channel ID and just put it here. And I'm going to let me in. This is for the free. Let me in now. And you can see I already did it. So it will allow you every 12 hours. You just go and watch other people's videos and like a comment in order to get subscribers or comments back. If you can see here at the beginning of this video, I had 194. It went to 197 and it's now 198. All right, that's got 29. Oh, that's got 43 likes now. So that's the one I used for this. So that's okay. Did any of those likes subscribe to my channel? I'm interested. I can't find out these stats until tomorrow. YouTube will tell you. I just can't do it right now because it updates. Today will update tomorrow and so on. I'm sure you're aware if you know how YouTube works. And then, yeah, there's other services just like that. There's this Tube.biz. They all do the same thing. Insta followers. Same deal here. You can get credits and then do the same thing that we did on the other ones, and so on and so forth. They're all pretty much the same. Now, just as a heads up, I am going to put a list of these type of services that you can click on down below in the description. They will be affiliate links, so if you happen to choose on them and use them, I will get some type of kickbacks as far as coins and stuff like that. Stuff I can use for my channel, so I would appreciate it if you use those links. I like to be very open and candid as far as the affiliate links that I use and share with you, so you know exactly what they are. Red Social I've covered before. And again, it doesn't make sense to me. Why would you pay for followers and subscribers and likes? It just doesn't. And I can go right on here and show you that I have purchased before. The only fact that I did that is to just kind of take a look at it. This was a long time ago. My orders, I think I spent like $40 or something like that. And I forget what it was for, if it was for likes or subscribers. You can see it was like over a year ago, just to see how the service works. It didn't really do me any good, really. The best thing that gets me subscribers and stuff is just putting videos out there, really. And this is TubeBuddy. So that's about it, gals and guys, for this particular video. I just wanted to touch upon that particular service, this GoViral, give you an idea that it's out there. Links are in the description. They're affiliate links, so I don't necessarily get money back for the affiliate links, but I do get coins and stuff I can use for my own channel. And I just wanted to give you a heads up, kind of have a discussion about, what's the morality behind it, because it's always interesting when you're trying to build your content in your channel. Is there a morality cutoff? I don't know. You tell me. I'm very interested in what you think down below. I appreciate you as always. Let's refresh this and see if anything's happened. Nope, still 198. I appreciate it as always. You could subscribe organically. That would be great. If you like content like this, I'll keep going. And I don't have a lot of subscribers. Don't necessarily have a lot of views. I'm trying to build that monetization thing, as if you have a channel of your own you're trying to build up, you're doing as well. Just keep making videos. Some are good, some aren't good, some are middle of the road. I just make the content that I would like to watch, and hopefully you do as well. Jesus, I'm being long-winded. If you could like this video, if you liked it, if you hated this video, just like it 2 or 3 times. Please share. I don't know who you would share it with. I'm sure share it at Christmas time. Put my YouTube channel on a piece of paper and slips of paper and hand it out to friends and relatives at Christmas time. I don't know. Hit the bell for updates, and I'm gonna go make another video and make another ass out of myself. It's what I do. It's what I like. I have fun. I drink coffee. I make videos. I make an ass out of myself. All right, gals and guys, that's all I got for you for this time out. Thanks for listening to me ramble as always, and I wish you as well as always, and I'll see you next time there, sweetheart. All right, bye-bye.